Good afternoon, everyone. I'm James Crummell. 13 and a half to 30 years in prison. That's the fate of former Harrisburg Judge Sonia McKnight, convicted of attempted murder. Sarah Wilson was in the courtroom when that sentence was handed down this morning. She's live in Harrisburg with the details. Good afternoon, Sarah.
James, good afternoon to you. Quite a packed courtroom this morning. Family and friends all speaking on behalf of McKnight, asking the judge for, quote, mercy when it came to her sentence. Ultimately, she got the higher end of a standard sentence, which ranged between 10 and a half to 13 and a half years. And as you said, James, she was sentenced to 13 and a half years. She left the courthouse in shackles this morning after that 1 hour sentence. 7 people testified asking for leniency with McKnight, citing her role as a former Dauphin County judge and her, quote, success story as a teen mother growing up in Harrisburg. McKnight also spoke, not admitting any guilt and saying to the judge, quote, this is not my character. This is not who I am, when referring to her conviction. Just last month, a 12-person jury unanimously convicted her of shooting her ex-boyfriend, Michael McCoy, in the head. He is legally blind in one eye now. This had happened in February of 2024 in McCoy's Susquehanna Township home. McKnight not admitting guilt then or now.
No, she didn't show any remorse at all today. And if anything, she showed some anger towards me, did not appreciate the things that I was saying to the judge. But, you know, whether she's just in denial or putting on a show for her supporters, in any case, the jury unanimously found her guilty of attempting to end this man's life. And this was really a nice close to this case.
Now, McKnight's son is her power of attorney. He submitted her resignation as a judge on her behalf, James. She was also disbarred in the courtroom today, which is something the Cumberland County DA told me he was not necessarily expecting to happen this morning.
All right, so I do want to talk to you about the victim in this case, the man that was shot, Michael McCoy. Was he in court today, and did he speak?
He was in court today. He did not speak. And I had asked the Cumberland County DA about this, who prosecuted the case, and he said that McCoy felt like he said everything that he needed to when the trial had taken place. So yes, James, he was there today in the courtroom, in the back of the courtroom, I might add, but he did not speak.
Sarah Wilson, live for us in Harrisburg. Thank you very much for that report this afternoon.